How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick video and a quick update on the channel and where we're going. I'm in the midst of creating a whole bunch of new content, not to spoil things, but a tutorial for leapovers, a tutorial for twists, tutorial for wraparounds, the scissors, those types of jumps. Been requested for years to do tutorials on those. Finally working on them, but I wanted to do them right, which makes it take a whole lot more time. But I also wanted to throw something your way, talk to you about this idea of a Discord channel or Discord server, Discord. Look it up. I'll put like a link to it below, like what it is, but it's basically a place that, like a chat group, basically. Members of this channel, I feel like we have a pretty good community growing already, but we could consolidate, we could put that all into one cohesive place where not only you and I are talking, but you could be talking to other members of the channel about your progress, what you're learning, what you're working on. If you have questions about Irish dancing, sometimes I don't have the answers. Maybe somebody else within the community of our channel does. And I had this thought about it. Discord is normally for video game groups, actually. I think that's where it began, but it's more of a broader, it's a broader thing now. And I had the idea and thought of, hey, maybe this could be something very useful. Communication is key. It connects us all. And what better way to promote the communication on the channel than to have a place for that, for everybody to be. So I wanted to pass that question off to you. Would this be something you're interested in, doing Discord? We could do like a Facebook group, but Facebook right now. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm really interested to hear what you think, and we can all kind of go from there. But yeah, just some updates. Question about Discord. Things are moving. Plenty of videos to come. But yeah, wanted to still post something this week to keep you all updated. So yeah, hope you're doing well, happy dancing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.